A father is 64 years old and the father is 39 years older than a daughter. Given that their actual ages is to 2SF, calculate the lower and upper band of the difference in the ages of the father and a daughter. Solution. Now, the first thing for us to do is to get the actual age of the father. What is the actual age of the father? It's given directly from the question. Father's age. Father's age is equals to 64. While the daughter's age, and that will give us what? 64 minus 39, because the father is 39 years older than the daughter. So in this case, 64 minus 39. 64 minus 39 will give us 25. So it means that the age of the daughter is 25 years old. Now we have to calculate the lower and upper band of the difference in their ages of the father and our daughter. Now, looking at the equation, there's a condition here. Given that their actual ages is to 2SF, that is what we have here is to 2SF. So in this case, since each of these is to 2SF, the last number here, the last number, what is the place value of this? The place value of 4 here, which is the last number in 64, that's unit. And unit means what? 1. So in this case, we need to calculate error for the bands. The error is going to be plus or minus 1 divided by 2. And that will give us plus or minus 0.5. So in this case, we need to get the difference in their ages. Difference in their ages. The difference in their age is going to be equals to 64, that is age of the father, actual age of the father, 64 minus what? 25. That's the difference in their ages. So this is a calculation we are having now. We need to get the lower band and the upper band. So now, lower band of 64 minus 25. This will give us, that is based on the rules of operation dealing with subtraction. It means lower band of 64, then minus upper band of 25. So from here we have lower band of 64. What would that be? That would be 64 minus 0.5. Anything lower band, you are subtracting. Then minus everything here, upper band of 25. That will be 25 plus 0.5. And this will give us 64 minus 0.5, that's 63.5. Then minus 25 plus 0.5, that is 25.5. And 63 minus 25, that will give us, that is 63.5 minus 25.5. So this will give us 38. It means the lower band for the difference in their ages is 38. Now let's calculate the upper band. We have upper band of what? We still go back to the difference. 64 minus 25. So in this case, based on the rule of operation dealing with subtraction, it means that we have upper band of 64, then minus lower band of 25. What is the upper band of 64? That will be 64 plus 0.5. Then minus, what are we having here? Lower band of 25. That's 25 minus 0.5. So 64 plus 0.5 will give us 64.5. Then minus 25 minus 0.5. That will give us what? 24.5. Now 64.5 minus 24.5 will give us 40. We can now conclude that the lower band of their age difference is 38, while the upper band of their age difference is 40. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.